The motorcycle's smart display M6 offers seamless connectivity with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, enhancing your ride with hands-free navigation, music, calls, and messages. With an IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, this smart display is built to withstand rain, mud, and tough road conditions, making it a reliable companion for all-weather adventures. The 6-inch high-definition touchscreen is designed to be visible even under direct sunlight, providing an anti-glare, glove-friendly interface for smooth operation. This display is engineered to perform in extreme temperatures, from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring reliable functionality in both summer and winter conditions. The device offers wide compatibility with most motorcycles, featuring a plug-and-play setup with universal mounting hardware for easy installation without hassle. Bluetooth voice control allows riders to activate Siri or Google Assistant, offering hands-free management of music, calls, and directions, enhancing safety by keeping hands on the handlebars.